Hello guys, my name's Luke Mead, and today in this video I'm going to be walking you through one of the best beginner four-wheel driving setups. This setup's also suitable for camping, fishing, touring, whatever you want to do. It's one of the best beginner setups that I know about, and it's bloody cheap. The total cost of what I'm about to show you was about $5,000. So you can get into camping, four-wheel driving, fishing, getting to the outdoors with as little as $4,000. So you can see here, I've got Franny. Franny's her name. She is a 1981 HJ61 60 series diesel engine, 2H. Essentially, it's an agricultural engine in a bit of a beaten up, old, busted ass body. But this car cost about $4,000 in Australia, and we've got a bit of work to it to get it running, but it hasn't cost any serious money. And it's now a super reliable car. I'll about to find out when we take it four-wheel driving next week. But it does make a great bus for a beginner who's looking to get into four-wheel driving and camping. So far on Franny, we've replaced the oil pressure valve in her, which is about $40 worth of parts, and we've broken a few axle studs on the rear axle, and that's costed about $12. So far, we're really only up to about $100 worth of serious maintenance, and the rest has just been cosmetic stuff. Now, you can't go camping, four-wheel driving anywhere in the world without a solid swag. This is the crash pad swag, great value, super strong and durable, and super comfortable. This is one of the must-have things for a beginner, like once you go four-wheel driving or camping. As soon as you start combining something like this with a reliable car, like a 60 series or any other Landcruiser, then you start to build up a really strong range of tools you can rely on. And when you're camping in Australia in the outback, you do want to have stuff that you can trust your life with, which you have to do. And that's why I recommend a good solid swag. It's a two-person one for a bit of extra room, and you can bring your misso if you want to take her along and chuck her in there. She'll be happy. She might not love it, but she'll be happy, and she'll get the job done. Now, the last thing a beginner needs is a solid setup with all the camping gear, cooking gear, camping gear, eating gear, and the sort of thing that you can live on when you go camping. So I'm talking about stuff like plates, tea towels, bin liners is an important one that everyone always forgets, toilet paper, cups, washing detergent, hand torches. Magnetic ones are great, stick them on things, works really well. Olive oil spray, coffee, tea. Another handy thing to bring is coffee board and a container to wash your dishes as well. Other than that, that's pretty much all the beginner needs for four-wheel drive camping setup.